front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by launching Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Select OK in Welcome pop-up and tap on Timeout to make sure that Infinite is on. Then go to Tab menu. Click on this pen at the top right corner and select Edit under Full Option. Now you need to look for a Caffeine shortcut in available buttons. Hold it. Drag it to your current ones, place it wherever you want to, and hit Done at the bottom right corner. Then click on the top left corner to go back. Access Tab menu again and simply tap on the shortcut. Now after clicking on Allow Permission, click on it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!